Welcome back to the SpeedyBee FPV channel. No, we digest or we joke. We digress and we joke, not digest. That's something completely different. It's been a long time. We've got quite a few bigger projects to get started on the channel, but due to a couple of issues, family related, unfortunately we've not been able to start them just yet. So Boy Wonder FPV and I took the opportunity to answer one of the most asked questions, and that is, how does the SpeedyBee Mario Mini 4 fly on 3.5-inch props? Now, you're first of all going to ask, why does one of those props purple and the rest of them not? Allow me to demonstrate. Alright, so quite a few of you have been asking if I can fly the Mini 4 Pro, not the DJI Mini 4 Pro, but the SpeedyBee Mini 4 Pro with the 3.5-inch props, and what's up?
I'm just a bit confused.
Wow. So I'm just going to have a bit of a feeler and then I'm going to send it on a proper one in a second. Now I thought, with it being a dead cat, you're not really going to get the same sort of feel as you do with the dedicated 3.5-inch frame. But I'm not... Oh no.
Oh, that's the tree.
Oh no. Okay, so it was a relatively heavy crash into the tree and it took one of the blades off one of the props. So we just replaced it and carried on with the rest of the filming. Now, what I did initially is I flew two batteries. The first one I took as a bit of a sighter just to sort of see where the power band was, just to see how it was, and then really just take it from there. So let me run that first flight. It's not a full flight because it's the same battery that we've just crashed. But let me run that first flight and we'll come back and we'll have a brief discussion before we go out for the main flight. Okay, so we're back out with the 4-inch on 3.5-inch props. Somebody at the tree.
Oh yeah, I can see him.
After our little incident, we're still using the same battery just to give me a little bit of a feel for how it feels. Obviously I did hit the tree, that wasn't really related to how it feels on these props, that was just me being a shit pilot. But I think we can probably wait for this person to clear the field and then I can probably give it a proper rip. This is just, like I said, this is just a feeler, just to see how it feels on these props.
Who's the champion for it?
Yeah.
Who the hell are the champion for? What the hell is that Man City doing? Did you beat that out of the video?
Just a little bit.
I'm
Right.
sorry, luckily you're not wearing your Man U top.
Yeah. Okay, so after that initial flight, I could feel that actually there was something in this. I initially thought, the cynic inside me initially thought, 3.5-inch props on a 4-inch that's a dead cat. It's not designed for the props. It's not really designed for that style of flying. It's probably going to be a bit meh. But I think we can sort of see from the first flight that that's not necessarily the case. But the real answer, the way we really genuinely, truthfully answer this question is we're taking out for the second flight. Let's go. Mario Mini 35, sorry, Mario Mini 40 Pro. On the, oh, the person's still at the bloody tree. On the 35 props.
Damn.
And I was asked, does it feel the same using these props? And, well, we'll discuss that back in the studio.
Well, you're ripping it right now. There is a kid watching it there.
That's okay.
He's just staring at it.
That's alright. As long as that person there at the tree doesn't move from where they are.
Yeah. Should be good for that one.
But yeah, sorry, I forgot how to speak again. I absolutely adore these. I've never used these props until I've used this drone. And I absolutely adore these props. Now I thought, it being a dead cat, you're still going to have a little bit of nuance even switching to these props. But I think, or at least I hope, I'm showing you what the situation is.
Really shouting at me, have a drone.
Hey?
He's on the talking at me.
Someone shouting at me?
No, the drone is shouting.
Oh, the drone is shouting at me, yeah.
He's going like...
Now there is a tiny little bit of prop wash when coming from off to on throttle, I've noticed. And it is the smallest amount, but it is also worth noting.
How hard did you hit the tree?
Pretty hard, I've got to be honest.
Wow. No wonder.
Little wonder.
What?
Oh,
Let me fly down and hit the tree instantly. No, I'm joking. No, that's true.
that is literally true. That's what he did on his first flight and got it caught in the tree.
Yep. And then we had to use our bottles and footballs to try and get it
It was
down.
a crazy time,
and we still
wasn't it?
couldn't get it down. So I think you used your crutch to
Well, I
knock
think
it out.
you used my crutch because I couldn't.
Oh, yeah. And then eventually I managed to come down. And didn't really discipline him for that. No,
No.
I'm just joking.
Mate, if you got disciplined every time you crashed, I'd be in real trouble.
Well, you wouldn't be flying, your entire career would be ruined.
Ruined, I tell you, ruined.
My kid is gone now, by the way.
Alright, mate. Yeah, these props are incredible.
Yeah. Damn.
The world's-
Shouting at you.
The world's sloppiest power loop.
I think saw it then. Obviously, because I'm a spotter. with
Well,
a
I hope you
bold
saw it,
eye.
yeah.
I'm a bold eagle, but not bold.
What am I on? What's my battery on? 3.5.
What is it on now?
3.1.
Man,
Watch out, I need to come back hot.
don't butter it.
3 minutes and 55 seconds at 3.3 volts.
Okay, so just to clarify, we were flying on Gemfan 3630 props. I absolutely love those props. Those are the props that came with the Mario Mini 35. We've got the original 4-inch props from these. They're obviously a lesser of a blade, but slightly bigger at the same time. And ultimately, like I said, with this being a dead cat, I actually thought, yeah, it's going to be a bit average. It's going to be a bit meh. But actually, I'm really surprised at just how well it does actually fly. And I'm actually questioning now. First of all, I do have a couple of prop experts in my comments, so if you can let me know down below if there is a 4-inch version that's similar to these Gemfan 3630s, because these props are bloody amazing. And it'd be nice to run something similar to those on this. Now, obviously, there's no props in view, but there's no props in view with a 4-inch anyway, so that's sort of by the by. But it does rip. There's no two ways about it. It absolutely does rip. I would like to try it with some similar sized 4-inch props from Gemfan or similar pitched 4-inch size from Gemfan, just to see just how much performance this will actually eke out. But once you take off these narrow blades and go with something a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more grunty, it actually turns it into a bit of an animal. And I'm really genuinely surprised. So thank you, first of all, for asking me to go and fly. As I said in one of the other videos not too long ago, I don't need to be asked twice. But you guys asked me about 100 times. This genuinely, it was one of the most sort of requested things that I do. Just really, really quickly and unrelated to this, I've been asked to fly the Firefly 2.5 on the 2-inch props to see how that flies. That's coming as well. I've also been asked to compare back to back the 04 Pro and the 04 Lite on the fly with Firefly, just to sort of see the difference in the quality. Is it worth it? Is it not? Because I often say the 04 Lite's not really worth it if you can afford the 04 Pro. But let's put them back to back and just sort of show the actual difference off from there. We've got a couple of builds coming. We've got a couple of comparison flights coming as well, bigger comparison flights. So there's loads and loads and loads coming on the channel. So please don't be put off by all the SpeedyBee content. It's just new, it's hip, and everybody wants to see it. So I'm just going to keep doing it, especially when it's an easy video to make like this. You know, go out, have a couple of packs, come in, record a little bit of a segment. We have got the 25 Pro and the 30 regular coming to us as well. So again, it's just a case of waiting for those to arrive. And once they arrive, we'll get them on the channel. And then once we've done a review of every single one of them, all of them, and I've got the 25 back up and running as well, the original, we'll then do another mega comparison of every single one of them ever made, and we'll rank them all in order. So that'd be pretty cool. So again, like the video, hype the video, share the video, send the video to your milkman sisters, dogs, cats, cousins, uncles, aunties. And don't ever forget that you've all been absolutely amazing. Peace. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.